So now that we've created the base for our lizard, we're going to give it some shape. Shape in the head and shape in the body. Remember that this is a sculpture, so we want to be able to view it from all sides, and that means that it has to have dimension. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach the pipe cleaner to the side of the head, remembering that this top circle here is the head, so that it's extended out like this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to loop it around because we want to give it some frame for mache, which we'll eventually do. I'm going to do that by kind of wrapping it around. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, this is going to be covered up, but we want to make sure that it's strong enough to hold the paper mache. And this could take 1 or 2 pipe cleaners to really give you a strong structure for creating the head and the body. So we're going to continue to wrap this around, and I'm probably going to need 1 more going in the opposite direction on the head, something in this direction here. And I'm going to wrap it up like this and back down to the head, and that's going to give us the shape for the head. We're going to do the same thing for the body, but more in a zigzag motion across the back.